We've been together for 7 years. Honestly, I want to settle with her. Pero may time na we had an argument. Sinabi niya na hindi siya magpapakasal sa akin kahit matagal na kami. Hanggat wala siya nakikitang improvement sa status ko. Hindi niya sinasabi directly, but for me, parang sinabi niya na rin na kaya niya akong iwan pag wala nangyari sa financial status ko. Am I correct? Takot lang ako masayang yung ilang taon na pinagsamahan namin if wala talagang mangyayari sa financial status ko. Though, I'm working on it kasi gusto ko naman talaga mag-settle with her as soon as possible. Anyway, we're both virgin. Alam ko kasi in the early stage of our relationship, we had several times to have some, but chose not to have intercourse. But after 3 years of our relationship, halos ayaw niya na magpahawak. And insisted na hindi na yun mauulit not until I'm financially stable. Any advice po? Takot lang ako mawala siya. Wala naman siya pinapakitang sign na ayaw niya na sa akin or nagloloko siya. Yun lang talaga siguro yung perspective niya sa buhay nung naging mature siya mag-isip. I want to work harder, double time, since I want to settle things with her. But I also have that thing in my mind. What if hindi mag-work yung effort ko? And walang nangyari sa status ko? What if iwanan niya ako and ipagpalit sa financial stable?